So good day everyone, and again we have another interesting equation here wherein obviously we are asked to find the value of x given that x raised to x plus 4 is equal to the fourth root of x. So the obvious answer here, one of the possible values of x obviously is equal to 1. So if you will have 1 here raised to any number is 1, and also the nth root of 1 is always equal to 1. Okay? Anyway, we'll show that in our solution later on. So then, what else are the possible values of x? So let's try to do this one. So you have here x raised to x plus 4, and then the fourth root of x can be written as x raised to 1 over 4. Okay? So if you want to get rid of the fraction exponent here, so what you can do is just try to raise both sides of the equation by 4. So in this case, you will have what? You will have x raised to 4x plus 16 is equal now to 4 divided by 4, that is x, okay? Then you will take the natural logarithms or the logarithms of both sides. So you have now ln x raised to 4x plus 16 is equal to ln x, okay? So if you want to move this ln x to the other side of the equation, so you have ln x 4x plus 16 minus ln x is equal to 0. Okay, properties of logarithms, it says like if you have log x raised to n, this can be rewritten as n log x. Or similarly, if you have ln x raised to n, this is n ln x. Okay, so in this case, we can do that same here with this ln x raised to 4x plus 16. So we can have like 4x plus 16 ln x minus ln x is equal to 0. Okay, so if I may continue the solution here, so we can factor out ln x here. So ln x 4x plus 16 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so you have two factors. So ln x 4x plus 16 minus 1 is 15 is equal to 0. Okay, so the first factor is ln x is equal to 0. So to get rid of the ln there, so we try to raise them to e raised to ln x is equals to e raised to 0. So any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So e raised to ln x is x. So the first factor, or the first value of x, sorry, is equal to 1. So as we mentioned early in our discussion. Okay, the second value is 4x plus 15 is equal to 0. So 4x then is equal to negative 15. And the next value of x here would be negative 15 over 4. Okay. So those are the two values of x that would satisfy this equation. Okay, so more of this on our succeeding videos. Till next time guys, happy weekend, bye.